That's how it all went down. Literally. Just one thing left to do, eh? Time to bring the fun. Time to... Time to bring the pain.
All right, let's go. Let me see, man.
Can you buy that new guy?
And soon he began writing letters and essays to family members, friends, promising young talents, sharing the wisdom that changed his life. Because nothing will ever please me, he said, no matter how excellent or beneficial, if I must retain the knowledge of it myself. No good.
Wait, isn't a process grenade like a grenade inside a grenade inside a grenade? That's cool.
Then there are to crush.
So there's a... Oh! New skin?
Yeah.
Or is that new gun?
Ooh. Unlock, baby.
Yes, yes.
What?
And yet, for all this suffering, his advice was that the only thing we should be worried about is what we're worried about. We spend so much time imagining.
Fuse, let's go. Finishers.
Oh.
Oh! How about this one? This one's locked. Oh. Oh! How about this one? Oh! Like a samba. Okay, let's watch this shit. Oh, watch my man. Oh! Oh! How about that one? You like that one? Looks like a big Mario. Oh God! Oh, that's me right there. See or no, Aiden?
Oh, gold.
Oh, all gold. Oh, what's it say? Oh God! Oh Lord. Man of War. Oh, this one's so tight. Yo. Can we buy? Let me see. I think we're buying some coins. See or no?
Yeah, let's buy some.
2,800.
No one can ever know what you are capable of, not even you. Which is why Seneca talked over and over again about the importance of adversity.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wait. Shh, quiet, boy.
Stronger and better and more prepared. Every day he said
Hey, man.
to challenge ourselves, we should make choices that push us
What?
rather than help us atrophy. And when we are going through something tough, we should be grateful for the chance that it is helping us.
Oh, there it is.
Where is it?
We did.
What is going on?
I don't know. I think you're attached to it.
I just don't want people to see my
Here.
stuff. Close window.
Oh, I like that. It's like a longest mountain.
Got a stem right here.
Math. Effect.
Oh, I know what to do. Wait. Display capture. Bam. There we go. Now we're gonna play with that guy. You ready? Okay. Are you gonna do your work? Go. Okay, coño.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna be with him. See or no? I'm gonna be like a sambo deal.
Right.
Caustic.
Yeah, caustic. Can't wait to play with that guy. Pirate guy.
Come on.
Is Caustic the poison guy?
Yeah. Taking forever. It's lagging, I think. More coffee for me. Buddy Bird. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, we're gonna buy some. Bang.
Oh, that's so much!
What, boy?
How you gonna waste all your money for that?
All right, there we go. All right, let's go. Okay, let me see. Buy premium. Bang. There we go. Oh, okay.
What's a punu? Like, what's a punu?
Wait.
Oh!
Come on, baby. Legendary.
Oh!
Okay. Who's this for? Carnival. Oh, I think that we got a legendary one. All right, let's go.
Legendary. Oh!
Oh, okay.
Oh! That one's cool, yeah?
Yeah. Come on.
Come on, please. Be a
Ah,
legendary.
man.
That one went flying off.
No.
Yeah!
Purple.
Purple. Yes, skin.
Oh, look at that. I think we might be playing with her, like, huh? Oh, man. Try and get their skin, though. How do I unlock that? Oh, I can unlock it. I have 1300. Which one should I do? This one? Or that one?
Nah.
This one?
Mm-mm.
This one?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
For real? This one!
Okay, fine. You can pick.
Okay. He cool, huh, Aiden?
Yeah.
Oh man, with a bang. Chicken dinner. Oh. Oh, 1200. Ooh, man.
I like the first one because like his first kill, yeah. Oh.
Wait, I thought I had the. What's it called? Where is
The party one?
the banner? Intro.
Just wasn't your moment.
Frame. You know what? Let's start it, right?
Yeah, sure.
Man, everybody's gonna want to play like with him.
Yeah, and you're the first one who played with him. Or other might be playing with him the first time. Hey, baby.
It's getting repeated now.
Damn. He's playing with that. Is that you?
FLYG. What is that thing?
No magic.
That's you? Is Is that you?
Kneecap, you get a mic.
Oh!
I unique you says. No.
I unique.
Brother, how are we supposed to win? Damn,
I unique you says.
ain't nobody got time to win, Paula.
I
You only got those champion squad.
follow. I unique you says.
Whoa! New map? Broken map. That's like a broken map.
Let's go! Look at somebody. Look at
That's
you.
very
Whoa.
Why would
Whoa. Why am I upside down like that?
Why is there a broken map over here? Why? Can you?
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
First blood. Game bloody on, car. Enemy here. Hold on to your asses.
You feel brave with that guy? Oh, get this guy. Yeah.
Look at some.
Like you're a bad guy too. I like that.
Oh, that was pretty tight.
Crash this ship. What if you fail in the water? Are you gonna die? You just shot 3 bullets at the wall.
Yow! Oh my lord.
I unique you says. XD. I unique.
2 ham. What happened to you? Why he has that handgun?
Look at that face.
What face?
Yeah, that little face lady.
That guy? The guy?
Yeah, man, I went to a ham.
That's what happens. He gets mad at you.
I don't think I like this guy. I'm gonna keep playing Horizon.
Who's Horizon?
The girl that I've been using.
Come res him, come res him, come res him.
That's
Over here, over
what?
here.
How do you do that?
Mic. Mic check.
So you. Yeah. Oh, looks like you're behind. Whee! Oh, I just saw you boy with our head.
Listen up, fellas. The ring's moving and we're on the...
What? Oh! Legendary treasure pack!
Come on, I'm not gonna kick that.
Why not? Can you get any armor?
Okay.
One of the teammates not even close. Come res you, we're coming to res you. See you.
That's why I like that guy. He has that.
But it was accurate.
Like, not. The explode wasn't big.
Like not lethal.
Little. Little. Little.
Ooh, I wonder what that is.
What is it?
GG, boy, good luck.
Yo!
Taking so long, Aiden.
Come on, go do it. I gotta practice with this guy.
Okay, ready? What you gonna do next? You wanna clap your hands? Okay. Look. Press reset. And then you press done. Clap your hands.
One, two, three, 27, 28, 29, 30, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Oh my God. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 69, 70, 71, 72, 91, 92, 93, 94, 91, 93, 94, 95, 96,
Hey.
97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114,
Okay. What was it? 100.
106.
I'm starting to like this guy. This guy is like OP right now. He throws so much grenades.
Okay, ABC's ready?
What?
Oh, Reggie, write it down yet? 106, right?
No.
Okay, next one you're gonna say ABC. Ready? Set.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Jason, won't you sing with me?
CCIB to the moon! Woohoo!
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
CCIB,
12,
baby
13,
girl.
14,
Go,
15,
keep climbing. How about AMC? AMC, you went from 8 to what? Can't stop. No, come on, bro. Gotta keep it strong. CCIB.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is this how you play it?
I don't want to get here, but
Yeah.
service.
This is your champion.
Says, I use this ally flake lifeline. DQ Joe says, haha. I unique you says, LOL.
Potential. Associate
Free? Free? Don't skip this one. Here's the perfect beauty tip for you.
And yesterday it closed at 25. Yeah, okay, like 15% or something like that. But here's that last run here. But now we're getting the red candlesticks coming in. We'll see how long that lasts. Aurora Cannabis got some kind of breakout news right here. Somebody knows something. Something happened right here. Because somebody went in with a... Wow, look at that order volume. That's crazy. It went to 2 million from like 80,000. That's crazy. Yeah, you see movements like that. Somebody knows something. Yeah, NGA, Lion Electric. I want to see Amazon actually order some more trucks. You know, they just got their first 2 trucks delivered. I've got more research to do on NGA, but it's definitely something I'm keeping an eye on. We got to get some more trucks delivered at NGA for sure. You know, having delivered 2 trucks is an issue. I think they do deliver some other trucks as well, though, so I'd have to look into those more.
My God, my CCIV
Solar is such a
calls, so
big
they're
player.
printing right now.
Seeing more news
Whew.
on federal legalization. Yeah, that might be what it is. I work for AvePoint's main competitor. Microsoft doesn't provide data protection and backup services. Other AvePoint and others provide the services for managed service providers. Yeah, see, I'm so clueless on that. I just don't know anything about that. Yeah, you know, I think if you were working in that industry, then you could really pick like, okay, which one's better, Snowflake versus some of these other, which is obviously a different style. That's using big data and drawing conclusions. But anyway, so CCIV, maybe the insiders know something. Maybe we need a Weeble tutorial video. Yeah. How do you get your Weeble desktop to look like that? I've been trying for 2 hours. What do you mean like that? Like dark mode? Yeah, I think there's a preference button somewhere. Any thoughts on NG? Yeah, we talked about that. Okay, let's listen to this for a second.
Lower fees, and maybe they have a little bit less liquidity. Maybe you have to trade it a little more carefully. Maybe it's better for long-term buy and hold investors as opposed to short-term traders. So really different funds serving different markets. We specialize in serving professional investors and people who want to take a long-term allocation to crypto. And for those people, fees really do matter. They add up over time.
Presumably, though, as this particular fund, should it get the green light, gets bigger and bigger, it will be as liquid, I would imagine, as a larger fund like a GBTC. Is that correct?
I love what you're saying, and I definitely hope that's true, Melissa, and that's our plan. So over time, yes, we would hope that it gets more liquid, and that's our expectation. And again, we've seen it time and time again in other parts of the market covered by ETFs. This isn't an ETF, it's an OTC traded trust, but the same rules should apply. People care about fees, they care about quality. Hopefully, we're giving them both.
You know, Matt, I know you, our viewers know you primarily from ETF.com and Inside ETFs. And so I wanted to get your take on what was going on with GameStop and the ride it put some specific ETFs on along with it, namely the retail ETF, for instance, even the Russell 2000 for that matter. GameStop for a brief period of time was the largest component on the Russell 2000. What's your take in terms of the impact on sort of the narrower ETFs out there?
Yeah, I think it does expose a risk, which is when you get those very narrow ETFs, that very select stock baskets, and you get significant run-ups, you can see single securities coming to be a big part of that portfolio. I think we're all wrestling with the implications of GameStop, not just on the ETF market, but on other parts of the market. You know,
I think this guy, by the way, is pushing Bitcoin because Bitcoin just moved up a little bit. We kept the candlesticks going up on Bitcoin.
Angel,
Although
no throw nothing at
also
each other.
hear that it sounds like GameStop
Okay?
pushing
Be nice,
a little
nice,
bit.
nice.
Oh,
Get
yeah,
nice,
look,
nice,
we
nice.
got
Get
some
nice, nice, nice.
in here,
Nice,
GameStop.
nice, nice.
Almost trying to
Say
keep
que
it
nice,
back
nice,
right
nice.
away here. We had a big buy, big set of volume right here in this minute.
You guys got me talking crazy here, man. I gotta go to the bathroom.
very exciting, very
Yes, got
good portfolios, but you do have to be careful in what you're pointing out.
I'm broadcasting this thing too. What the
I'm
hell?
going to go with the Bitcoin ETF. Do you hope to, let me rephrase that. Do you hope to have a Bitcoin ETF? And what do you think that will do in terms of assets in the market for Bitcoin?
Absolutely, Melissa. We're working day and night and have been for years on trying to get a Bitcoin ETF approved by the SEC. And it's not just us, it's other asset managers. I think it will open up the market to a large number of investors. Look, there is no perfect way today to get exposure to Bitcoin. You could buy it on your phone, but there's security risk. You could buy through one of our funds, but maybe there's paperwork risk or premiums and discounts that come with these OTC traded trusts. An ETF would make it push button easy. So of course, it would bring more investors into the market. I think it's going to happen. The question for investors is, do they want to wait until it's push button easy, or do they want to use one of these other alternatives to get in before that happens? And that's just a choice that every investor has to make, and different investors will weigh it and decide differently.
Matt, great to see you. Thank you.
Thanks for having me on.
Matt Hogan of Bitwise. Tyler.
Melissa, thank you. Still ahead, stocks are soaring as we await Alphabet and Amazon earnings after the bell. We'll explain.
Stocks are soaring, but not some of them. Like good old GME. 105. It's definitely hanging tight at 105 a little bit. You know, maybe do we have support over here right above 100? I don't know. Kind of bouncing off that low right now. AMC 41%. Cost Naked, Tootsie, Sundial. Let's see. Churchill Capital still above 31. Definitely down from peaks. Aurora Cannabis moving. Yeah, it's gonna be really interesting to see tomorrow what happens with GameStop too. Let's go check out Wall Street Bets. I wanted to show you this. I pulled this up and I wanted to show you a good example because somebody in the comments was asking. So if you want, you could just take a screenshot of, because people were saying, what are the candlesticks? You could look at this. And it's a little confusing at first because the negative candle and the positive candle, they flip on each other, right? And these are like, it depends on what kind of time frame you have, but like if it's within a minute, then what did the stock open for in that minute? What did it close for? Sometimes you get those tiny little candlesticks, and it's basically meaning that it opened or closed at the same spot. And then obviously it could turn red if it went down. But sometimes this helps people, see did it go up a lot in the minute? Then you would have a big square. Did it go up nothing? Then you'd have a tiny little thing. Like if we go over here, this is a very tiny movement, whereas this is a nice big movement up. Anyway, some people were asking about that. Or someone was. I saw notifications. Oh, there was Discord then. Okay, so AMC 42%, falling a little bit here. Let's go to Wall Street Bets quickly too. Still, I think is AMC trying to? Yeah, ooh, there's a red candle. Oh gosh, we're about to break 100. Oh my gosh. Oh, 99. Oh my gosh. Oh, ooh, and this was a previous resistance. So now that we broke 100, I don't. Oh man. I mean, we broke this over here as well. And what happened when we broke 100 the last time? Look at literally what happened when we broke 100 the last time. As soon as we broke 100, it went down to 74. Ooh. Okay, it's pushing back. Oh, it's pushing back. We're getting the buys coming in. Under 100. Ooh, it's dancing. Dancing with 100. We'll see what happens. Oh, is the GME short interest actually 30 to 50% like Bloomberg and S3 are reporting? Why is Wall Street Bets doubting the numbers? Yeah, I think the reason there are a few reasons Wall Street Bets is doubting the numbers. Number one, the numbers are put together by the suits. Maybe not the suits that we generally think of, but they're put together by suits. So there's the initial inclination to hear bad news from the suits, even though they're different suits, and to assume it's bad or wrong. That's an initial inclination. And then it's common to look for rationalizations to justify that feeling. And I think that's what's happening while the stock is declining. So, for example, if GameStop were up 50% today, let's say GameStop were up 50%, which would be amazing. I mean, I'd be ordering pizza right now. We'd be celebrating. Let's say GameStop were up 50%, and S3 reported that the short position was way down. I don't think anyone would care. We would see those numbers get taken as, see, this is why the surge is happening. That's my take. And remember, one of the reasons, too, we're not seeing prices bump with that short interest decline is because I really think the cover happened Friday, and then we saw that number reflected on Monday.
An entire new generation of investors. And this is important because the top 10% of Americans now...
Yeah, there's also this talk about a change in formula. I haven't seen anything that says that S3 Partners has changed their formula. In fact, on the S3 Partners Twitter, they say that they have two formulas they use. They use the S3 and I think the SI. S3 Partners. I'll pull it up. But let's listen.
57% of Americans said they own stocks. Now, about half of all Americans don't even have any participation in the stock market, even if you include retirement accounts. Now, the concentration is especially high at the very top. The top 1% now owns more than half of all stocks. They gained over $6 trillion in wealth since March. Now, generationally, today's millennials also lagging way behind the median value of their stock holdings, about a third less than Gen Xers, at the same stage in life. You look at the disparities along racial lines, those are also getting worse. Stock ownership by Black and Hispanic households, now about half of that of white households. So Tyler,
it's really interesting that like getting more people into stocks, I think, is so important. Oh, I was literally just tweeting the look. I was literally just writing a tweet to you know, what is this? S3 Partners here. I wonder if can I copy that? No, I want to see that though. twitter.com/ihorse3 status 135-600-4816-414-269-448. Did I get that right? Oh, here we go. How is the synthetic longs created by short selling inflate the traditional SI? I thought SI simply shorted shares, not okay. Reduces the SI float instead of shares. Did he say no somewhere? I don't see a no. Oh, but this is the S3 Partners guide. Oh yeah, he is. I don't see any other replies from him, but maybe he's the guy. Let's follow him. Oh, he's just retweeting what S3 is saying. Maybe I'll send this anyway, and let's tag him in it too. And then if you don't mind, retweet this. Rumor has it SEA changed their formula for short interest, explaining the drop in GME. GME percent of float. I know you use S3 and S1 data, or S1. I know you share S3 and S. Oh, I think it's not S1, it's SI. SI. One includes synthetic longs, one doesn't. I could probably figure out which one's which. Hold on. Let's figure out really quick which one's which, so we can have an educated post that we could share, and then hopefully they reply to us. But this is such a big question right now. See, they say, where did they say it? S3, S1. Here it is. See? No, that's Tesla 18 hours ago. Where did they say it? Somewhere they broke down the difference in the two. That one of them was 30%. Maybe I could find it if I type that in. 30? No. 53? No. I can't find it anymore. Somewhere they broke apart the two. We'll just write it like this. Let's ask them. So let's finish this tweet really quick, and then I need your help retweeting this. Rumor has it S3 Partners changed their formula for short interest, explaining the drop in a GME percent of float. I know you share S3 and SI percent. One includes synthetic longs, one doesn't. Did your formula change, or are people confusing S3 and SI? Thanks. Thanks so much. All right, we'll see if they reply. So I sent that tweet out. So if you can, give that a retweet, and maybe that'll get some more attention. So it might be under tweets and replies when you go here to Twitter @RealMeKevin. Let's look at Wall Street Bets. Let's see what Wall Street Bets is up to, because they they've been providing a lot of insight into sort of our emotions of what we've got going on. All right, so let's see the latest we have here. So we'll go to new. No, let's go to top now. Yeah, that's better. Okay, SPAC facts. NPA. So this is about NPA. So we're already talking about something different here. That's a promoted. 56 minutes ago, taxes on warrants. INAQ and Mark Cuban. And crashed their website. He just held an MI. Wait, and name dropped Mesh Tech. What's that? Oh, resource limit reached. That's interesting. What is that? Oh, it's one of Mark Cuban's companies. Mesh Bluetooth. So, okay, some other research here. Music. ACAC plant. A lot of information. Wait. Oh, I'm in the SPACs. No wonder. Here I was. I'm like, why is Wall Street Bets so distracted? Sorry. I was reading r/SPACs, which is a good one as well. So we'll go to top. now. All right, let's see the latest. We'll comment. What is Lucid peaking? I mean, that's not a surprise. It shouldn't be running up this high. It's at 31.45. Jeez, man, it's still going up. It's still going up. It's crazy. All right, Wall Street bets. Oh my God, down $400,000. No. Ouch. Oh. Oh, all short-term calls. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it sucks. Down 400K, will hold. Makes my 8K loss seem like a happy meal. Makes my $2,500 loss seem like a bag of chips. Makes my $1.2 million loss look huge. What? Oh, God. At least people have a sense of humor here, I have to say that. Jeez, man. Jeez. All right. Let's keep going. We got it, boys. Buy into the dip. Someone needs to check up my man. Use 46K of my dental school line of credit to buy more GMA. Someone needs to check up on my mans over here. Yikes. Credit line. Current balance. Oh, they pulled the whole credit line to buy GME. Oh, man. I bought the maximum allowed by Robinhood. Spent $12,000. I'm going to hodl with you. And so far, they're down $1,300. Not coming from money has made it easy to hold. Okay. Just pretend like you don't have it. Netflix coming out with the GME. I think that's so cool. The Netflix story coming. Oh, what's going on here?
Oil rising by more than 2% for the second straight day today as OPEC production curbs continue to give support to those prices. Brent is finishing above the $57 mark while WTI.
I don't care about oil. I care about GameStop. Somebody here has diamond hands. I'll watch this thing drop to 0. Oh my God. How much is he in? Oh, okay. Well, okay, these are his losses right now. Okay. All right. Came for the tendies, stayed for the revolution. Oh, done in $4 grand. $4 grand today. Ouch. I got scared, so I bought more. Oh, man. I don't know. It makes me nervous. It makes me nervous. I mean, it's good that we're seeing this cohesion.
Someone stop CCIB right now. Someone stop CCIB. CCIB, Lord have mercy. $32. Lord.
Draw a picture of a box and you put sand on it. And you draw another picture and you put a box.
CCIB, baby boy.
Oh my God.
I got options and shares.
For me to double, by the way.
Woo!
For me to double, I need to be at.
I'm at 40% right now.
$39. If we go to $39, that'd be nuts. That'd be nuts. I don't. It's definitely. It could happen. I mean, it could push the 40. You know.
Look, you have sand and then you're gonna have
okay,
a cup.
so stop bitching, you paperman betas. Go steal some money and buy the. Yeah, see, that's the problem. Is you know, we gotta like getting more money is the big issue. Right now. That's the issue. If you took profits, you should buy into GME to help.
I'm setting my
It's an idea.
contracts.
Running a stop loss order is bad right now.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
So just draw that.
you get a temporary sell. You can get pumped right out, basically. It's such a bummer about running stop losses. I generally don't run stop losses. That'll, you know, in theory that makes sense, but I mean, the market is so volatile. You know, sometimes you can get really disappointed when you run the stop loss. Sometimes you can also get really happy when you run the stop loss.
So is this about water?
Norway, fellow, yes, bought
Can you
today
make a
right
graph
after
like
market
this?
open. And I watched my $150
With
decrease.
water, initial,
Alright, we
secondary.
sold some of
Make a
my
graph like
contracts. Alright, 2.
Oh my gosh.
CCIB to the moon, baby boy. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Yeah, I guess so. Ouch. And I like how he put his can't afford to hold the stock. Still
You already
holding.
watched all these videos already too?
Odor.
Yes.
Okay.
Game of Thrones.
They're both the same.
I believe in AMC, bro. I'm buying more AMC.
Heard about the space drop today. Did Virgin
In this
Galactic
show,
drop?
the sand was on top of the
I don't
box,
really track
and
this
then
one.
the sand fell off the box.
30%
This one,
on this one today. Jeez.
okay, there's dirt or sand,
On
and you put
CCAV
water,
is now
like the
almost
cup,
at $33.
and it starts to have these cracks.
Oh yeah, Virgin down 8%.
So you know what to do or
Didn't
what?
they have a safety issue?
Adding more
pop up?
on
Didn't they have
AMC,
a
boys and
safety issue
girls.
maybe?
Tell me yes or no.
One of their launches. That
You know what to do?
Did anyone buy
No?
Amazon position today? I want to.
Look.
Part of me is tempted
You
to
write a
buy
graph like that.
an
Look.
option on Amazon
Green,
just
water.
for the lulls of what could
Initial.
happen if they smash.
Secondary.
Let's see how oh my god, they're gonna be so expensive though.
Then
Like,
you draw a box
let's see.
with sand on top.
Let's go look
then
at what
you
a
draw
leap is
another
gonna
box.
cost me.
The sand mostly fell on the ground. Then you draw
So
this
if I
one.
go to January
You
2023,
can put like
and I'll buy
sand.
something way out
And
of
then-
money. Okay, I'll buy something
or like sand like this. And then you put a cup
4,000.
of the water
Oh
falling
my
down,
god,
and
it would
then
cost
you
me
say, like,
$500,000
there's cracks.
to have an option.
That's all you need to do. Got it?
Okay, if I went to $5,100, it still
Okay.
cost me $247,000 to
And
get.
then
Okay,
after
hold on. Let's put that quantity down to 1.
You read this already, yeah? You want to drop?
$24,000 for
Yes,
a
I need it
$5,100
too.
option.
And then you write 1 cent. Look,
$4,000.
explain one slow change that
$4,000.
happens on Earth.
Strike price of
What are you gonna
4,000.
say? Erosion?
One cost me 48 grand.
Here, another slow fucking change right here. Drought.
No,
Explain
like
one
5,000's
slow
a little
change.
far out. 4,000, and this is
Can you write that? Drought
January
is a
20,
slow change.
2023,
And say,
which
just write
basically
about
gives
it.
us 2022,
The
2023.
earth
It
gets
gives us
really
2
dry.
years.
That's all sentence you gotta write. Okay?
Full
And make a
send.
graph like that, and write that
Full
sentence.
send
Then
it.
you're done.
Should we do it? Watch. Earnings miss,
What do
and
you
it just
mean?
crashes. Let's do it. All right, let's do it. Let's go. Amazon $4,000 2-year call option. Here we go. 50 grand right here going in. Can I just put this in as a good to cancel? What? Let me refresh really quick. Is this the latest? I don't see the pricing ever changing here, but we'll just put it in at that. So okay, let's just verify. We're gonna go $4,000 leap, Jan 2023, $48,000 on Amazon. We're buying a call. Here we go. Here we go. Ugh. Okay, I did it. Let's see if Amazon is going to give us the tendies that GameStop did not. Oh, wait. At least for now. No. Alphabet. Hold on, and I also have to write this to course members. I gotta pull that up really quick. So when I make these buys, because I usually don't do these buys live, right? I mean, when I do them live in the course, that's one thing. But let me just quickly document what we did here. Kevin, where do I put it? Here we go. Buy alerts. This is where I put in the Teslas. So money members. Okay. 4,000. Oops. Amazon call just purchased 1x Jan 2023 $4,000 call, and then I'm gonna buy a Goog one too. Call just purchased. I'll probably buy a same amount, or maybe 3x Jan 2023. That's my guess. So let's look at Alphabet or Goog. Let's go out of the money here. Let's go to like 2,500 calls. Let's go to Jan 2023, and let's buy some 2,500s. Can I get a 2,500? Yeah, let's see if I can buy a 2,500 call. What's 3 of those gonna cost me? $49,000. I knew it. I knew 3 of them was gonna be similar to what I paid on Amazon, because that's what I wanted to do. Roughly the same. Let's go. Let's do it. Buying 3 Goog calls out of the money. Boom. Okay, we post that, and 3x and 3x $2,500 calls. I gotta put the RuneScape coin stack on really quick. Hold on. And then let's get back to the candlesticks. There we go. Always put the coin stack on. Okay, so we just spent 100K in calls for companies that are reporting earnings today. Somebody just gave me $5 to explain a call option. So basically, when I buy that one call option of Amazon, I have the right to buy 100 shares of Amazon on January 20th, 2023. So I have a contract that lets me buy that in the future. But I can resell that contract, and I'll probably sell that contract next year. Once it's long-term capital gains, I'll sell that contract and hopefully print tendies. That's the goal. So that's why we just put 100 grand in. All right. So watch both of them miss, and after
CCIB to the moon.
Then you could just laugh.
Yes. Give me the paper.
Whatever.
Erica, this is nuts, man. Look at CCIB go from there.
Yay!
How? Read the sentence right there.
Let's see. So, oh no, the Amazon one. Okay. Amazon.
One slow.
Okay, is GME moving? Let's look at the sticks, folks. Let's look at the sticks. Let's look at the GameStop.
Oh my god, Erica, look, I'm going to the moon, bro.
Come on, please.
I'm going to the moon. Right now, like,
Please.
I went from negative 8,000 to plus 2,000 just for holding. So they tried dippity dip, yeah.
While we were playing those
They try to make you like panic
sell.
sell.
Bought an option at $91.
But nope, the hell. Now I know how the game works. Dippity dip, the dippity dip.
Amazon down on expectations of competitor
Eating all this candy, girl. That's it, no more.
Look at these guys.
No
yeah,
more.
they're running together. Who started the run? So this one started. Let's see here. This one started right here at 1435. 1435 was here. It looks like AMC maybe started this run. They're really trading off each other. Yeah. Or wait, 35. Oh, but they had a little bit of sell. The last run was here at 41. At 41, yeah, AMC started the bigger run.
I just told you.
It's good. Push them up, push them up.
Explain one slow change that happened on
What's
Earth.
CCIV doing? Oh my god.
Use the text.
44%. Oh, we got a red candlestick though.
Suppose
We're
your
taking money out of
Okay,
CCIV
use the
and
text
into
to
AMC.
What's the text?
Read that. And then drop the picture of the desert.
Bought CCIV this morning.
Read that picture.
Gosh, yeah, if you bought CCIV this morning, it's still doing
Can
well.
it drop
Jibo,
last 4
you know,
minutes?
that's not really a 2030 technology.
No,
for you?
above that, the top one.
But I don't know what their price action is
This?
either. I don't think they should be over $10.
Drought is another slow change. A drought is a long time with
they're
further
at 11.
away.
They're
Land,
pretty flat today. What's Tesla doing
the
today?
land
Since we bought
gets
some loans
very
over there.
dry.
Tesla's okay. It's been flat.
Okay, so
What's
what did
Tonics?
you send us?
I don't even know why that's in here, but that popped up.
The land gets very dry.
Is that what you said in your sentence?
No, wait.
Yeah, sometimes
A
I
drought
put
is
tickers
slow.
in here and I don't even know what they are. But some people are asking for what they are.
A drought is slow.
Let's see what Trading Nation is up to.
Well,
Sponsor.
and there is no,
Let's
there's
jump
a
on
slow
over
change,
to
earth change,
99%.
and there's no water.
There are no points.
You can write that.
What's the ad? I'm sorry, not Bloomberg. Let's talk. Okay, let's see Bloomberg TV.
Go over here.
Bloomberg
Hi,
TV.
hi. Stop it.
BNGO moving? Is it?
Wee.
15% electronic now. And so we think that's is in fact a real opportunity for the market, and it's something that we're investing in.
Really great to get your reaction in real time to what's being announced,
Yeah,
what's being pushed
golden.
for in terms of T+2 and really taking us into the intricacies of your business. We thank you so much, Broadridge CEO Tim Gopi, a great guest for this very moment. Meanwhile, coming up, we'll discuss GameStop's big tumble and the way forward for retail investing with Joe Feldman.
That's the news we don't want.
Group. How is GameStop?
Wait. Yeah, how's it gonna end up? That's the news we don't want, right? We don't want media outlets going, oh, let's talk about the big tumble
My
at GameStop.
CCIB, take me to Mars, CCIB. Load, man, lore.
Oh my god.
CCIB, man. I mean, new
Now
life.
can I tell you my thing? Mama? Mama?
How high is this gonna
Now
be?
can I tell you my thing?
I mean, what did we start at again? Well, let's go
The
back.
Mario.
Let's go back to last week.
Doggy's wagging its tail so fast.
I gotta move my office somewhere else, man. Look, this is a big ass house, and all you guys are right here, like, what?
But yeah, we hit those peaks, and then we're kind of bouncing around 21, 22. Yeah, it's kind of consistently been 21, 22.
That's room right now.
What a fun. Look at that volume. Look at this, these
We're gonna
volume.
move it to the big room.
Just all
Yeah.
of a sudden, right there.
Why you never move it to the big room in the first place?
Yeah, we do that so I can have like them like a little thing so I can take care of them.
That volume is higher than we've seen it. Let's go to our volume.
Here, now can I read it to you?
High is that
A
self-pressure
drought
volume
is
over here on the 25th. Where there was a
earth
big
change.
dip. Thing went down as
With no
low
water?
as
How about that?
$1.19 again.
A slow
So the volume for the day, I mean, it makes sense. Or the last hour. The last
Earth
hourly volume
change,
isn't as
change.
high
How
as
about
we've
with no
seen in
rain?
the past.
Write that too.
It's certainly
With no
higher
rain.
than recent past. But
Mom, I want more.
it's just a very, very bullish right now. Very
With
bullish
no
vibes.
rain. Write that. Hurry up. With no rain.
Interesting. Aurora Cannabis up a little bit more. Snowflake quite stable. Tesla, EXPI, great companies. And GameStop. GameStop had the run, softened a little bit. Hitting at that real resistance there at about 104, 104, 105. Okay. Let's jump on our screen.
Yeah, glass beach, pink beach.
Sava.
What?
What's Sava?
Yeah.
The last beach? Where?
He's on
What's
glass.
this? Robin Hood.
Over at Goldman, street high target right now, $96. The analysts expecting Dell to continue paying down debt, which could set the stage
The last
for a potential lift to investment grade status. Shares here up about 4% on the day.
That's how you
Next up,
wear
let's
your
look at Sears
slippers.
Apple supplier. They're gonna
Hey,
downgrade
hey!
buy over at Craig Hallam, which leaves the price target unchanged.
The last
The analysts saying
beach.
yesterday's earnings report out of
Pink
sync
sand
with
beach.
visibility on content.
Say what?
These science companies, they do this.
Alright.
Like,
Giant Walk
they're scary
Beach.
sometimes.
Mama, check out this Giant Walk Beach.
Oh my god, it went from
Say, check out the
$7
Giant Walk Beach.
to $59. That's almost a 10x.
White Sand Beach, Australia.
Wow. Yeah, a little bit here. Today. Basically
7
today.
Mile
It just
Beach.
opened higher. So what do they do?
Amazing beach.
Nearly triple scored 10-year
The
high
sand?
after upbeat data on Alzheimer's.
What?
Wow. Right back
The
to you.
beaches?
About it with Joe Feldman,
And
who's
even
the
green.
director of research at Chelsea Advisory Group. Joe, what should GameStop do to capitalize on this moment?
Raise capital.
The stock obviously ran way ahead of the fundamentals. One thing they theoretically could have done was maybe to sell some stock at a high level, like an at-the-market transaction, sort of like the reverse of a stock buyback, and you could do it. I don't know that they've done that. I don't think they did. They would have had to have filed something. But other than that, I think they've just had to watch it go up and come down, and I would guess that some of the insiders may have taken,
Okay,
an
get the baby.
opportunity to
Put this away.
sell some of their
Stop baby much.
when it had gone up as much as it did.
Although I'm still
Here,
looking at
here,
it.
go put this away, please.
This is hilarious. It's totally unrelated, but it's so hilarious. So my mom is here cooking lunch today. I don't live with my mom. I'll make that clear. She's like, I'm making chicken tenders. Do you want some? And I'm like, yeah, I want my tendies. Because I have a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old.
The fundamentals, meaning just the absolute sales and the profitability of the business and where we are at the start of the console cycle. And even if you model out a pretty optimistic scenario, which I think I've done in my forecasting, you're still getting to a stock price that I think is lower than where we are today.
Yeah.
Even best case scenario, it's likely to be lower.
Yeah, I mean, that almost goes without saying. I mean, there's a lot of focus on the valuation currently where it is. Before this big run-up, Joe, I mean, there was a case to be made for this company. I believe even you and your folks over at Telsey had made the case. You're talking about a relatively healthy balance sheet. You're talking about a company that was finding a way to transition to a more digital environment for gaming. Is that story still there?
Yeah, I believe that story is still there. I don't think anything's really changed in the past 2 weeks before the run-up and now as it's been coming down. You know, and if you'll, in our downgrade note, we even talked about all the opportunities that the company does have to improve fundamentals and, as you said, to transition to become more digital. They've got, you know, the activist Ryan Cohen is involved right now. And I think that there's definitely opportunity for improvement in fundamentals. I just think that the valuation is disconnected from what that reality is.
Do you see them trying to pivot to becoming, I think of a Best Buy, for example? I mean, what does this company look like a few years from now?
Yeah, everybody would love to be like Best Buy, you know, in the transformation that they've had. But, you know, in theory, GameStop, maybe it's a smaller store base. Maybe the stores that are still operating are much more experiential, almost like gaming cafes or places where you could, you know, maybe try out for esports competitions. And it could be almost like a farm system for esports. You know, they could try to do something more like that, as well as taking part in the digital download side of things and, you know, partnering as they do already with the big players in the space, but maybe becoming a more important share of that partnership and leveraging their loyalty reward membership to kind of add value to a partnership of that sort.
Okay.
Joe, what's it been like being a fundamental analyst on this stock over the last few weeks? Were you someone who followed the Reddit community at all back in like 2017? I mean, this has been talk for a while. Did you sort of think you were going completely crazy at certain moments?
Yeah, you know, honestly, you know, I had not been a follower of the Reddit community. You know, I was aware of it because you do sometimes see some funny moves in some of the stocks, but, you know, I just focus on the fundamentals and what's the underlying profitability of the business. And it's been a crazy couple of weeks. You know, you almost just have to hold your nose and let this thing pass. But, you know, I've had the same thing. I cover Bed Bath & Beyond, and that's another stock that's gotten caught up in this with some of the Reddit members, you know, hyping that one up. And we've seen that come down pretty aggressively over the past few days.
Yeah, and interesting. I mean, Bed Bath & Beyond has